right, gang, so we are starting off real fresh right now. We are actually riding off to Flint, Michigan. If you guys remember last year, we went out here for the car show multiple days. This time we're going earlier, right? So we're going to be able to hit it up on Friday night. They do like some light show thing. Cars are all lit up. I want to see that. Saturday, car show. Sunday, we cruise back. Right now, I'm sitting on the side of the road because we're waiting for the rest of the crew to pull up, and we're going to ride out with them. We already passed one person who was waiting. We're going to meet up with the rest of the crew as they're cruising through, and we can ride. One thing, son, when we were going this way, we saw a group of Lambos going the other way. Crazy. I don't know where they going. Maybe you guys can let me know. But anyways, we're going to meet up with them, and then I'll get back with y'all. All right, gang, here the crew right now. We meeting up with them. And we're off. So actually, we got to ride through Canada to get over to Michigan. So you guys are going to see us cross over into the Canadian border on our way over there. All right, gang, so we are now in Canada at this point. We've crossed the border. You know, I can't show that border stuff, you know. There you go, shawty. You can see we out here, bro. We got a couple right here. We got a couple more still coming through back there. So we out here, bro. We live. All right, yo, we outside, bro. We about to get ready to go to this light show later tonight. We got dinner and such at 6. Bro, check out the jersey. Now look at the back. Fine. The C6. It's crazy. It's crazy, right? Let me show y'all shorty. Hey. Hey. You know what it is. All right, so anyways, we about to slide off to this light show. Ready for dinner. Bro, we got to wash the car first. This thing is so dusty. It's been under that cover for some days now. It's got a lot of pollen, things like that on there. So we got to clean this thing up. All right, so we're about to slide out of here right now, bro. This is the next day. Last night was a good time. We're about to get ready to hit on the move, bro. You can see there's cars out here. We're getting lined up, so we can head over there to go shawty. All right. But we're about to get ready for the show. You guys remember there's so many Corvettes, so many different things out there. We're right in the middle of downtown. I'm hoping they do it in the same spot this year. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna follow the group. Even the lineup down the road here, further down, and all the way down. Crazy. All right, so we're pretty much almost here. You guys can see we got vests lined up galore here. Flipping you guys around, you can see vests lined up over there. So we about to be in there pretty soon. It's crazy, bro. We were our own escorts, bro. We blocking traffic, all of that. It's crazy. It was a good time though. You can see all the stuff we got in the back. Stuff is still in the hotel room. All right, light just turned green. I'll get back with y'all.
Yeah, I'm #1 and I feel like that. And I heard what they said, they don't say it like this. Stepping over shit cause the shoes might fit. All these haters wanna watch, tell them look at my wrist. Tell them look at my wrist. All these haters wanna watch, tell them look at my wrist. All these haters just watch, tell them look at my wrist.
Look, I've been through eons, driving hard through the cold nights, feel like Freon. On my gold status, so we talking 23, huh? Always show up in the prime time, feel like Dion. She adore me, cause my wrist game too strong, no ignoring me. Made it to the league, niggas hate me and they showing me. They just let her watch, they don't even do it knowingly.
Yeah, I'm #1 and I feel like that. And I heard what they said, they don't say it like this. Stepping over shit cause the shoes might fit. All these haters wanna watch, tell them look at my wrist. Tell them look at my wrist. All these haters wanna watch, tell them look at my wrist. All these haters just watch, tell them.
Alright, you can see we pretty fresh looking. Getting ready to head to this all-white party, bro. You know your boy had to rock a little cream, something a little different, but we're getting ready to go there. But at the show, we ended up winning best dress for the crew. Crew's looking good there. So we're getting ready to go to this all-white party. Should be a good night, good dancing, good food, some drinks. You know how that goes. Maybe I'll bring you guys around for a little bit of clip of that, and I'll get back with you guys. I almost forgot, bro, and these things are police escorted on the way there. It's gonna be a good ride. Nice to be able to shut down the streets and get our way there. They close off the streets, they close off the lights, and we can cruise there just smooth and roll with the whole group. That's always a nice feeling when that happens.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
All right, so right now we're cruising back. We met up with a different group. It's like 4 of them right here. You can see these cars over here. Go ahead, pan to them real quick. We're riding through Canada. We're on the Canadian side right now. I hope you guys can hear me. I got the window down. We chilling, we vibing. Ooh, that one's clean. But we about to get back. I'll get back with you guys when we get back to the American side. We're just gonna be cruising right through Canada and touching back on the American side. I'll get back with you guys. All right, gang, so we just touched back down. We in America, bro. We are in New York at this point in time. But you guys can see we had to get some gas real quick. We had the gas station. Bro, I wish it was nighttime. You know nothing better than those nighttime flicks at the gas station. But we got to go in here. Boys gonna get some energy drinks. And then we got to slide up out of here and get home, bro. You already know how it is. Everybody's filling up right now. I can imagine this Z06 probably uses up quite a bit of gas. Anyways, let's roll. Just like that, we are back at the crib, bro. I hope you guys had a good time. I'll try to give you guys just a slight little glimpse of what it's looking like. As you can see, your boys changed, fresh shower, all that good stuff. You already know what it is. So I hope you guys enjoy some of that stuff. If you are tuned into my TikTok, you would have seen me go live. So make sure you're following me on all the socials. You know what I'm saying? TikTok is all the same name, Top Chevy. Instagram, Top Chevy. All the things, bro. Follow me everywhere. You're going to be able to check out things. Maybe you'll even see me live, bro. And let me know if you guys want to see live on YouTube. I never tried it yet, but it's always an option for your boy. Anyways, it's your boy. We sign out with another video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and let me know if you think I should go next year or hit up a different show or something that you guys think you want to see me at. I've been contemplating Gatlinburg. Let me know. Is it still going to be popping next year, or does it look like it's already too late for that one? Anyways, it's your boy Chevy. We sign out with another one. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know